Are you hungry for some tilapia and some asparagus? We got them for you, and we're going to show you how to cook them on the Blackstone. Don't go away. If you saw on a video not too long ago, Lynn received a Blackstone grill, all the tools, a stand, and so many other things from her work when she retired. We thank them so much. And what we want to do tonight is show you a quick and easy meal. It's tilapia, asparagus. We're going to cook it up with a little garlic, olive oil. It's going to be simple and easy. And guess what? It's low carb, it's keto friendly. So if you're on that kind of diet, this is perfect for you. And if you're not on that kind of diet, add a side, a baked potato that you might pop in the microwave or something. But we're going to get started and show you how to do this. And while I'm thinking about it, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you know someone that's in the RV lifestyle, or likes a Blackstone, or is into keto, send them our way. Share this video. They'll surely love it. I'm Danny.
And I'm Lynn.
She's behind the camera today, but welcome to RV America. And we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to show you how to cook the asparagus with a little bit of bacon and onion, and we're going to top it off with some melted cheese, so you're going to love it. And then we'll jump into the tilapia and show you how to do that. Simple, quick, easy, something you can do on a weeknight or a weekend with friends. Let's get started. I'll put the ingredients down in the description so you'll know just how to make it. Let's start off with a couple of slices of bacon. Yeah, this is for the asparagus we're going to cook first. So Lynn, my assistant, has chopped up a couple of strips of bacon. So bacon does the body good.
Sure smells good.
Yep. I wish we could do smell-o-vision. We're gonna let the oil get cooking a little bit, then we're gonna put the onions right on top of that to let the onions cook inside the bacon juice. So now we took a medium onion and just sliced it up. And that's smelling even better with that onion than that bacon. This whole meal should take somewhere around 10 minutes. So now we've got one bundle of asparagus. Lynn's cut the ends off of it, washed it down real good. And we're going to roll it out onto the grill. And what we're going to do is just toss it here, actually on the grill, with a little olive oil. We'll put the fresh garlic on there in just a few minutes, but I want to start off with some garlic powder just to let it start getting that flavoring. And we're just using it to taste. Some people like garlic more than others, so you use it to taste. Just a little salt. And we're going to put some pepper on it. Now I'm going to toss it, get the oil and stuff all around it. We want as much of that olive oil to get on here. So now we got the olive oil, salt, pepper, a little garlic tossed on this asparagus.
Smelling good.
If you haven't tried grilled asparagus before,
What about your bacon and stuff?
the bacon and onions coming along quite nicely. The onions still a little bit hard. Bacon's crisping up a little bit for us. We're going to steam this just a little bit. We're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes and roll it over and do it again. We'll stop right there for you and get back to it in just a minute. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes on this asparagus. The bacon and onions are really softened up.
Man, it smells good.
This Blackstone Adventure grill has a lid, so it really helps with the steaming and cooking. If not, you might have to use get something from Blackstone, a dome. They make several domes that you can get. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the fish on, and then put the garlic in for the asparagus. So Lynn's picked us up a little bit of, I think 4 fillets of tilapia. So So I'm gonna put a little on the tilapia. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Put it face down. Do it to all 4 fillets.
You get my olive oil bottle dirty, don't you?
I told you should cook. So next we're gonna put a little olive oil on top of it.
You need the brush? Or you just need your hand?
Yeah, but these fingers, you probably could use a brush, but I did wash my hands and get ready for this. I'll wash them again before we touch the asparagus. So I've washed my hands. Now we're gonna put a little salt and pepper and some fresh garlic on them. We'll add a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt to the asparagus. And what we have here is 1 pot of garlic. We're going to mix it in with our onions and bacon. And you're going to be smelling that real good in a minute. Ooh, that smells good. Nothing like some fresh garlic. The second pod is going onto your fish. Spread that around. So with the tilapia, just based on the average thickness, these are some average thickness, we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes per side. Didn't take long at all. This asparagus is getting good. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. Alright, so we're going to stack up your asparagus. We're going to put your bacon and onions and garlic on top. Smelling great. Spread that out. We're going to flip the fish over. We're going to move this to a little bit hotter side of the grill. Come back with a little bit more olive oil. Alright, so we got another couple of minutes on the fish. What we're going to do with the asparagus is we've got some Parmesan and some mozzarella. We're going to use up what we have in the refrigerator there, so we're going to so probably 1.5 ounces there and probably 2 ounces here of the mozzarella. Get that cheese melted up good. So as we said, it got another couple of minutes on the fish. We're going to close the lid, let that heat get to it, melt that cheese, and it's almost done. Didn't take long at all. We'll show you the finished product in just a second. So take a look at this asparagus with bacon, grilled onions, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, and we'll take it off. So in no time at all, we've got a great meal, very healthy for you. The fish is not fried, it's grilled, and it's smelling great, and the asparagus is doing great too. So like we said, this can be a great keto meal, a great meal just to add another side if you're not on any kind of diet, and it's something quick and easy. And we appreciate you watching. We encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we've got some great videos coming out on the RV lifestyle, on our e-bikes, on our Blackstone grill. We've got it all coming out for you. So,
God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.